Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Our president, when I know say not did there again, the robot with the Aso Rock tell us say make all our people with the wear uniform. If they catch anybody with AK-47, make them shoot them. Buhari. If you they follow me in this platform, this is Good Heart TV show. Waiting they always they concern us that because we know say if we not fit stand now, nobody go fit stand for us. If we not interfere, nobody go interfere for us. Every other persons will go come in, they just want come chop. Or then they wait to laugh. Or then they wait for avenue where they go free collect. So that make them be in charge. If you look today, the way things dey, you go ask yourself question. All these people we call leader, wetin be una problem? Wetin be una problem? Wetin be una problem? The present day government will tell you say that they look for people who AK-47 make them shoot them. Not be politicians give bullets and guns to the people where they carry the AK-47. Una want tell us now, say una don't forget the people who una give AK-47 to, una give priority to during election to the whole gun. Hey, Princess, I salute you. The Sarugwe, I really salute you. I respect you. That name, that is mine. It's short, sisters. Anyway, we thank God. So, the present day robot or cartoon where they put for Aso Rock, where then they use remote to the control. He won't tell us, say they don't know the people where they give ammunition to right now. All the present day government, all of them know everything way bad for that country. Know the people way bad. They know the people way gone, they their position. They know all of them. So now just to come they use us till they do mumu, just give us one assignment, make we they do. And trust our people. They go follow up. They will begin to do the assignment. I tell you now, not too long. Say time they come, now go say Buhari regime, and so now they see fuel. But the problems, the confusion, the increment of every other thing beside the fuel thing where you know they see is on the high side. If the cost of rice, maybe now fuel they even add money for better pass. The cost of rice is on the high side. Cement is on the high side. Everything, name it all in that land is on the high side. Exchange rate is on the high side. Today, you know if you send the naira from abroad to Nigeria, except say you still change down to dollar. Is that not enough to ask question? Now dollar will they use now? Now dollar will they use now? Now dollar now Western currency now Nigeria can't they use now? Now we can't know. They could now ask ourselves question. Which people they inside Aso Rock? Which people they control Nigeria? I don't talk this thing since 2016 or 2016 to 2017. If you they follow me when I did PFM, so I started talking, so I started talking. I don't need make somebody come preach to me for me to know what's wrong or what's right. I see all these things for a very long time. That's why over there some people call me the pastor, prophet, call me different names. All because all these things I see. So I just pray, make our people feel open eye to see all these things so that make them know the needful or what to do. Our police, our security agents, as I always hit them these days. These are the worst Nigeria security agents is the worst thing that ever happened to Nigeria. They are the worst. Sometimes those people, you wait and get permission where they feel hold gun, they hold anything, get right to even enter, do anything, commit or go arrest anybody. You go come forget, say, this say Nigeria where few people will be politicians, they destroy, so now still your country. Now still your land. Now still your heritage. Now waiting your children's children go come inherit in time to come. Now still your own. It's not for that man that who is sitting in Aso Rock or who is sitting in the government house or who is an House of Assembly or House of Reps or wherever office. Not be them get them. Now you and me now get them. Because of say you wear uniform or you are privileged to the whole gun, not makes you say you can't be another person to that country. You are still the same. You are still the owner of that country. Whatever una cook down, now una children's children go still chop. Because you don't feel they wear uniform, allow this nonsense they happen. Or because of say they settle you. I don't fair ask question. Yeah, good afternoon, but where you from go the right? If you know the other of my line, you can call that, sir. I will respond. I see where you the right. I only see the thing reflect on me now. So, my people, the problem is on the high side. Every day by day, they always experience all these things. Thinking, say, maybe God will come from heaven, come give us solution. No. The reason why you see say I write appreciation for the governor of Edo State. My papa say, when pikin dey pan pounded yam, you dey see am for the mortar. You go dey tell am say, well done, son. The number is always going to. Okay, let me see if I can just type in the number here. I see you. They see am, you go just flash out your message. They flash out, but I not see am fully. Make I just put in the number here again. I sometimes because of say I know they want. I just they leave the message the way the thing go so that make it help us. You know, say this life. If we not, sometimes some people they get strength or get energy or get plans or get the power to take correct uncertainties because of say they just need one word to get it so that they can do what they're supposed to do, and that message can be from here or it can be from this hearing. Before you knew it, the message can just pass. Before you knew it, it will be useful. It will say, yes, this is what I've been waiting for. Now this thing, now they try to think all this while. Now pardon me, they try to type in number inside here. So that make we know say, this afternoon, may I quickly take some of una time. You can call this. Yeah, you can call this. It's always available. Always available. Is always available because this life sometimes wetin we dey do we dey expect say maybe God will come from heaven come get one thing. No, God is not coming from heaven. God don't do in part, he come out, he leave am for us. So it's not left for us now, as a human being, make we dey do the remaining one by ourselves. My people, as I write there, say appreciation, as the Papa talk, he say, if you appreciate pikin where they do something, you go see, say, just that, well done, my son. Thank you very much. God bless you. More energy. You go see, say, that pikin go, they do more. So appreciation, I'm coming to come and talk about reason why for that appreciation. Because this life, I don't check. I compare. They say compare some certain things. Because not be everything you go compare for life. Not compare, say, wait, that pikin, the other woman born, if they do better than you. No, don't compare. That one is wrong. Leave everything for God. Do your part, that your child will be who he's supposed to be. So, as it be, if you look all this whole thing, they go just create small problems for you and me, and we go just follow up. We go just accept them. Before now, we dey buy fuel for 87 naira per liter. Everybody they complain, say make it go back to 40 naira, make it go back to 60 naira. Everybody they cry, they complain, say no, we don't want it to go like that. Now they do all this, get all these things by ourselves. These one are few things where God take bless Nigeria. Today, our government will be robot way, the people where they govern all Nigeria now, because this one not Nigeria now. When they talk about president, we don't get only one person now. We don't even know who the people. That's why I say the people where the president Nigeria now, they plenty, or they just gather now that they remote Nigeria to any direction where they want, anyhow they want them. They now just to write paper, just write one paper finish, give the image of Buhari, make it come read to the public. You know the surprise when I say, best one that they see as Buhari, where we know for 1981, 83, 84. Say not being be this one. Person go, he never, only one small thing. As me they talk, now me don't talk many things past the time when they even talk. Only one small thing, he not go like he talk by himself. The one way go even talk by himself, because of say we don't the hammer and these days, when even talk by himself, go check how many seconds. He go just quickly, you know how many hours he take to tell learner before he come out, can't even fit talk by himself. Every other one way be say he's supposed to talk more than that seconds, he need to read down from paper. Even the paper, he go still jump on. We never reach us to ask questions. The painful part of it, we get SS, we get DSS, we get police, we get all the security agents in that Aso Rock. All of them, they don't fit detect who they inside that Aso Rock. They don't fit detect and say, this one not be so president supposed to take the lead this country. Because if we say we get problems, and Nigeria get problems, we are just making a big mistake. The problems that we get, not just the few people where the president Nigeria, where they lead Nigeria, now be our problems now. And those problems, now we as a human being need to come together to begin hammer around. Because no matter how it be, why? No matter how it be, we just need to come together to begin hammer around. Then, before you knew it, some children where they born now, then they can't watch this thing every day by day. So someday where God will come give power, just as he give David power, make he go conquer Goliath. He go still can't give that power. It might be you, it might be me. That power to go do the needful, to go put things right. If we not check the whole thing today, shoot aside, shoot anyone with AK-47. Ask our government, our politicians, who give AK-47 to people where then they hold. Ask our customs, where they see AK-47, people where they carry ammunition they pass, where they allow and they pass. These are few people where they're supposed to call to order. Call them to order. Show us the people where you now allow carry AK-47 pass, enter the country, so that make we go pick them. It go easy. We get army, make them begin show us the people with the whole AK-47. If a president, they come out in public, they can't tell us, say, shoot aside anyone. Yes, they think they are working for the president, not for Nigeria, my brother. What we need is revolution. God bless you, Sylvester. God bless you. You know, say the problems where our soldiers, our police, our security agents, they think, say, then they look and say, yes, now they benefit them. Now their own is, in short, we are working for our government, our president, our politicians. Then forget one thing, say, the food where they cook right now, in their pikin go come chop the remnants when time will come. And their children by then, they go come, they swear for them for their grave. Say, why would their father bring them into this kind of land? bring them to this land of where they cause. Because even today you will see some comments. Some people they write say they regret to be a Nigeria. Some they write say they regret to even they carry the passport of Nigeria. They regret. You can see that. But time the one way they come, if they not quick fist and now cause them go they cause them spit on their grave, their parents' grave. See, because you were a soldier, you were a security agent, you have right, you are a police. Now, una supposed to do everything possible to take fix this country. Wetin una come go they do? Una just to go they chop money. Una they come build skyscraper for inside dustbin. Una they come buy a luxurious car for inside dustbin. Where no road, no security, no everywhere now. So criminal everywhere. Where they for the kidnap people. Those things, those company or whatever you build, hotel, whatever you build in that land, are they not going to be cost? Where be say there is no way you will enter, enjoy those things. These things where now they waste money on to build now. You go there with peace of mind, or you will go there, people will come and patronize you. Is that not a waste? If our security agent, they still asleep, they don't want to wake up. In short, the next time our course now we're supposed to begin cause them. This is where, by the grace of God, it has to, now I will hammer on the church. Because every gathering in the sight of God is supposed to be laying curse on your enemies, the enemies of the land. Who are the enemies? You already know them. As a human being, as a Nigerian citizen, we know our enemy. There is no devil. Our enemies are our politicians and our traditional rulers. So these are the people you're supposed to be laying your curse on. Then you will see, say, all your members will be moving with good head and money will be in their pocket. They will be okay. Paying offering will not be difficult. So, if you look all these things, why disturbing this line? If you look all these things, my people, the whole problems where we talk today, the whole people that call police, our security agents, they know all the criminals. See the video when I do before this one now. A custom man will be say they in charge. He say for him to escape bandit, Boko Haram or Fulani herdsmen, he has to bribe these people with bag of rice. Bag of rice where you seize from other people, innocent people, where you seize from people. You can't bribe bandit where you they find. You bribe them with rice, rice. Before they can't leave you, say make you they go. Criminals can't tell you say they go, they can't set you free. You only for him, they say, my darling, say, Ojim, you gang, thief. He agree, say, for where the pile yam put. He can't agree, say, for that, as he reach, they can't thief only one. That tell you, say, for him to say, if he thief only one bad, now he say, all the yam where they pile, they lost, they finish. For such an immigration man to come out to come tell us, say, yes, I bribe criminals, bandits, killers, the Boko Haram where everybody define, where they define security agents, then bribe them with people, bag of rice, can't they escape, pay us and they pay their own, as maybe they settle them with their own as collateral, or maybe bribe them, so that maybe they leave them, maybe they go. As they can't bribe them, the fee can't come off from there. That tell you, say, if cars never take it, they carry people motor, cars, guns where they seize, they take and settle all those bandits, they give them, make them carry, now they take free, now they take leave them. It just come out in the public and they say we bribe them with bag of rice. No, there must be some ammunition every other way they take settle them, because all of them are the same people. Then be the same. There is no difference between them and even the Boko Haram, because they see people, they know them all. If an innocent person, someone where they are abroad, where just manage, they buy things, they come Nigeria, say, yes, if I reach Nigeria, I will come open business or open factory with these machines when I feel go buy or when they dash me for abroad now. If I feel reach, you will see, say, that custom, they will seize everything. If they don't even feel seize themselves, the money where they go tell you to take clear that machine or clear those things, those goods. In short, is you will prefer to go buy new one, or to go buy new one, even 20, and you go buy 20, you never feel clear that one. They go make sure, say, they frustrate you. But when they see the real criminal, they go bribe the criminal with money, with everything, so he escape from their hand. So my people, so these people, they know what they are doing. Now then be our problem. So if our police today, our security agent today, they think say they want, then they do us, then they do other people. Now other people that they punish, you are all wasting your time. Because thank God, as an army, police, whatever position you are holding, custom, immigration, wherever, road safety and all, una they born pikin. Una they born children now, una get children. Una think say na abroad they go stay forever. But think say na so it go be. Some of una self, una children still there within the Nigeria. So waiting una they cook now my children go eat later. Because no matter how you build any company, you build school, you build hospital, you build hotel, a time they come. People will not the train so will not just they allow now make them they live luxury, make them they live well. Will now carry money, go bribe person will be killers. Carry people will be killer, put for inside army. Then una will see army will be say the only offense where they offend, they not quick come back to office. Now you will say you people are sacked. Now discharge them, now drive them, come out. Then people will be say they kill children, they use cutlass, gun till they shoot innocent people. Find our mother, our papa, una fit see there's repentance and put them inside army. Wait you now they cook, it go soon done, and if it done, now our children go still eat. So, my people, I see all these things as nonsense, and I pray, say, may God quickly open our security agent eyes to do the right thing. The reason why I'm saying this is because I know I get security people that they listen to me most time than they hear. And I'm touching them every day, every night. Anytime whenever I speak, they always did know. The informed now, if you wake up now, do the needful. Make una do the right thing. Because if you build all those things or you acquire those money, you get refinery, you get everything. A time will come, your children, they no will feel move freely because too much criminal don't fool the society. The society will become a place that is no go area. Those things they go they rotty for ground. They go they go turn bush, forest, those property all become waste. All because of your error. And God in heaven will ask you question. And when that question is being asked, nowhere to run to. And not to say maybe now until they die so it be for there. The death over there now pain all through all your lifetime into eternity. Pain. So if you know how to do what you're supposed to do as a security agent, somebody that who has all the power, what it takes to put things right, as somebody who is a judge, a police, an army, or any air force, whatever security agent you are, your mission now on earth are to put things right. Anything that is wrong, say it's wrong, and begin to do the right thing before it will be too late for you. Because as it is, we all can understand, say, from the body language of the cartoon where they this thing robot where they also rock, is enough for you and me to know, say, now few people now they control Nigeria today, and they are in charge of Nigeria. Nigeria not get president. We only get people where they manage Nigeria. Nigeria is just like a company. They just the manage them anyhow they like. Oh, this one I can't take, the other one I can't take. Give me money. They are just collecting and wasting it the way they like. Sometimes people will see it as if, what are these people saying? Is that not Buhari that I'm seeing? Is that not this? No. If you have the real Buhari in office, he go do the right thing with all the complaints where everybody they complain day in, day out. With all the atrocity and confusion that is happening in the economies today, he would have done the needful. But we have people managing Nigeria. That is why we are where we are. So I take God beg our security agent, they couldn't wake up, do the right thing. Not look and say, today, hey, I see you, brother. Thanks a lot. Thanks for that thumbs up. God bless you. You are a man. Nothing say today, now you know Oga at the top. Now you understand Oga at the top. Now you or God at the top, now in short, you get connection because everything about Nigeria as present is godfatherism. Who know Oga, who know the people who has connection. If you not get connection, you are nobody. At the watch program today, I see, and that means they were complaining. They start to voice out. They voice out how Buratai take create confusion for our securities. How they take kill a lot of soldiers, all because of their sincerity. Or because of say they were killing the real Boko Haram. Because of that, once they see say you be army, you defeat catch and you dey kill Boko Haram, you are in trouble. They will Buratai will sack you. And this same man today, the robot who na get for Aso Rock, make such a person wey they call Buratai as ambassador. That tell you say, what you na get for Aso Rock, una never understand. There is no way such a person will be say in his den, in his any command, anywhere where he manage, anything manage where concern security in Nigeria, they were all 0 over 0. If there is 0 way past 0, you get all 0. How will such person will be given remark or be put in a position of ambassador? Person will be ambassador supposed to be somebody way clean, where go feel get better talk or better things where be say we will see, come back, look back to say, yes, see what this man do. So we need his advice. We need them to come to so that he could help the system or they advise every other person in that area, in that field of army of security. But this man is 0 over 0. Still, the robot who not get for Aso Rock make us an ambassador. When I watch these soldiers, they were all saying their mind. They were all saying their mind. How, because of say, okay, my wife, they sick. For me now to quickly go take care of my wife. As then they come back, that is how they sack him. The other one, as he be say, oh yeah, go bring your card. Your card where be say you fit enter the camp back. As then they come back, they sack all of them. But this say Buratai and the Soma owner can go, this robot go give ambassador. If he sack all those people, but he can't see Boko Haram where they kill people, where they destroy people's life, where they bomb people property, where they bomb police stations and everywhere. If he bring those people, say they don't repent, he pack them, put for inside army. And such a robot in a Aso Rock make him ambassador. Is that not a disgrace? I salute you, James. God bless you, brother. I don't reach there at the embassy of Paris. And so they go do the needful. So I let them know if they not do the needful, they go see the other side. We bless God. You know how they do my thing. I do it. I don't get time to come to talk. So they will do the needful. So if such a man would be used with president of Nigeria go come see such a man, come give and say, na him come be ambassador, is that not a disgrace? Is that not enough for us to know, say, wetin we get for Aso Rock, na robot, another thing I will get for Aso Rock. Such a man will not fit, he not fit catch Boko Haram, he not fit catch anything. Say, it go take us 20 years again to take catch Boko Haram, to take defeat Boko Haram. You will be say be soldier. Soldier will be say go any other country, ECOWAS country, go every other country, they go conquer. Their whole land is like, today you go here say, for Uromi, they say kidnapper. I go laugh. For those state, Boko Haram, bandit, come at those state, come they operate for those state. Where they know for those state? I just want to ask this question. Those states, where Boko Haram or where bandits, where did they know for those states? Let us be sincere to each other. I first told this thing long ago. It never too late when I said yes. Now even our people, now they change to, now they tie all these things where they can't be like Boko Haram. It never too late there, not be the begin catch some of our people where they act as kidnappers, bandits. Truth, they say they bitter. Wait till these people know. We not fit get police for those states. We get a security network, everything. Then one person go come from the north, from inside forest, inside desert. He go come no Benin pass Edo people. It's impossible. As an Ishan man, any kind of charm where you they want, to all of them, they get them. Second, they don't pump people for inside there, bring all this. If not really, now people from the desert, now can they operate. Kidnappers, where we get for Edo State, make we ask our police. I saw those better me wey be say Burata is sack unnecessarily. Because if you be mechanic, if you go anywhere, and that is your profession. Now waiting if you enter that business, if you when hungry beat you must look for how to get more to where you still repair. So that make you get money. So as people where Burata is sack anyhow, those soldiers where they discharge sack anyhow for no anything, for just maybe one small thing, not because they go keep person or they go thief money. One small thing, they will just sack them, drive them, come out. These are people where Nigeria pay heavily to train. Just sack them through away. Then after sacking them through away, you expect them now. Somebody where they operate, where learn how to use gun to take chop. Are you expecting this person now to come go they use mechanic to the chop? Now still going go take the chop. So these people, they are the people operating as the way people who they see kidnappers of today. These people are the same people where we say armed robbers of today. I don't fair tell you now for a long time. When they dark, policeman go open uniform, go wear the back or go get the normal shirt for inside the body. The shirt where go get for inside the body in normal shirt. That shirt, he wear am, say yes. As he open and he don't wear another normal shirt. Before you knew it, that gun where he carried for afternoon till the stop motor, he go turn out to become armed robber. If he not use them for armed robber, if he by himself not use them, he don't already know the boys. All these our boys will still be courteous. They will still give them, take go to operate. Turn to armed robber criminals on the way. Waiting I try to talk, now to talk to their conscience. Any tool now creates now, tomorrow, now go chop. Any problems we now create now, tomorrow now go chop. Because it might be say today they look like say they sweet. Knowing fully that the boys and the country who now they put in mess today, in so years to come, there will be confusions everywhere. I see you, brotherly. Iyamon, respect. The problems we now create now, tomorrow, in years to come, now the kind children now we go to see for streets. The children where they see today were the one where the former ones then create, where then build down. Now we they see today, now where they turn to courtesan, where they turn to courtesy here and there. They turn to courtesy, then they kill themselves here and there. They know because they don't even know the meaning of the courtesy. So they just enter, find themselves inside, say, yes, and now we don't do on top. We can do anything. Once we don't gather like this, we go there for each other. They look our back. They watch out for each other. So we can do anything. So that is what they only understand. So we are in a position to rape. We are in a position for government to use us to do anything dirty. We have a connection with police. We have a connection with government. Now, so the leaders will give them power. So with that power, true, this power with them talk, so they really get the connection. Because they themselves, they inside police, they inside army, they inside the tradition, they everywhere. So now, this youth will consider and say, yes, let me be with these people. So true, they will say, money really they come out. But one thing when I let them, they understand, say, wait till now cook down today, now I go chop tomorrow. Because if you create problems in the land, you are expecting tomorrow for the land to come born picking way that they call peace. You are all lying. Because this our body, there is a stage you will get to. That run where you feel run, you know feel run now again. There is a stage you go get to. Those active where you be the active, you know feel the active again. By then, those people where you kill or rob or destroy, rob them from their right, they will come the active. And those people, that pain, they will begin extend down. So the thing, You see, say the society will not create that. Now the same people. Now na go later, they eat. By then, waiting all these people will come face, not be the best house, the best company, or whatever that is the best, or wherever they see say money, they not be there come face. So you see, say, now we be say, now this will not get refinery. Now be major, now be general, now be everything today. Now get connection with our God at the top. Now be Godfather. Now see say the whole problem later. Now because now come the position of money now. So now they will come face later. Maybe it might not be you direct as a man today, as a woman. Your children will be in the position to begin to feel that pain. We will not cook down. So it is better now. Let us correct it now, so that tomorrow we not come to say I die no inside your grave. If you check them now, fuel price don't change to 210 or 212, 200 or something. For what reasons? For what reasons? For what reasons? Why? Waiting be the offense of Nigeria. Waiting be the purpose of why the increment. Is there anything change in Nigeria? Are they building new refinery or get one way than they build? So because of that, they can't need money? No. Nothing changed. They are not building anything new. They not introduce new opportunities for people, for the citizens. Where be said today they want begin pay, they will begin get money. No. So the whole thing is just a way to make sure say they kill the country. They frustrate the country. Because where they hungry, what did you think that person will do? His only way of living will be to become criminal. So as everybody become criminal, the citizens, they are all hungry. So they will be thinking of the fast lane. And these people inside there, that's where they will be giving birth. They will be giving birth to children who will also have the same idea or the same thought. Then problems are here and there. Yes, they think, yes. So now, so it be my people. If we don't quickly talk to these people, and waiting, I really want to encourage our people, our youth. I don't they talk this one. Edo is supposed to be of his kingdom of himself. Edo State. Make everybody wait there. Edo State should stop to the dream and say, Boko Haram, Fulani can come Edo State. Bandit. No. Now then, they disturb themselves. It's hard time they begin face the reality, the truth. Tell themselves the truth. As a father, as a mother, you see and say stranger dey your area. Begin alert. I talk in one program, this boy, Dada. As a new vigilante, make una do everything possible. To type out una number, it's not supposed to be difficult. Inside an apartment, maybe thief dey there. Share them for all of them. Put them for all of them, each door. Una numbers. Type them out. Put them for all una doors. So that give them reason why you need to call this number. Whenever you see anything that is not right. Whenever you see faces that you don't understand. Call this line. And una go really respond. You go see peace, good day. Then go kidnap for national wanting school in Uromi. Who be the people who kidnap? All because of say they don't understand. Say once they kidnap, ransom they come out. You know, say for Nigeria, anything where be say they start. Once it's sweet, everybody they enter. If you check and now, let somebody start the internet. You see everybody they enter. Somebody they sell tomatoes, everybody go enter. Somebody don't they buy ticket, they go Nigeria, you go see all of them are there, they go enter. Somebody don't hear say na pent where they sell now they pay, everybody go enter. Somebody don't hear say na sponsoring or whatever, trafficking, everybody now so Nigeria be. So for now, I take a beg una as an edoma, make una remove na hand come off from kidnapping. The only way to survive or to enjoy this life, now peace. Where there is no peace, even you will even get the money, go become problem to you. Because no matter how it be, how you try to please yourself or try to surround yourself with all the goodies, but because of say you get it on the wrong way, so it become a problem to you. You can never enjoy it because there will be no peace for the wicked. That word is reality. You cannot change it. There is no peace for the wicked. No matter how you try to cover up. On your private time, as you wey dey look me on your private time, you dey feel pain, no matter how it be. There's always a pain. There's always something hitting you, or because of what you are doing is wrong. So the reason why I say make we appreciate the Governor Obaseki, if you now look at my people, if you go look at those states today, in my previous video, I talk about Ogiso, I talk about some road, Capiona, so many roads, so many things. Because when I finish, they wash me. And true, all this zone, all this area, many area, they really go, they work on them. The people who do Ogiso today, now they're not going to know the reason why government entered that area. Say, now this me, now I complain, cry about that Ogiso. Not be say I did there, but since me not did there, my people did there. But today, that area now, I see him for this guy program, Starley Osakunokode. I see him when they go there, go they show him. So I appreciate the government for waiting Governor Obaseki they do. I can't check all those states. I can't check so many offices when they touch. So many buildings when they touch. It can't let me understand, say yes. Not be to go they build new ones. Not be waiting important. If you check at those states, we get many structures. Many things where government don't build down. For this area, for Aduawa, where they put a Socrative way there, Aduawa, I forget the name of this road, the road opposite to Rura. If you go inside it won't win. If you go there where Socrative day, if you look the plot, the land where they build that Socrative, if you look the back, if you look the land where they there, where they just fenced through way, very big plot is just wasting. That place reach where airport or stadium go even feed day. That land is just there, they waste. Before you need now, boys go enter there now, they'll begin selling. DB, all the other party they win, therefore don't begin selling just as then they sell the rest. Then you can go check different places. You will see say many houses, many things where they don't build, where previous government they don't build, just to take waste our money, waste the treasure of those states, divert those state people attention. Go build for Osa, build for Aviele, build for different states, different community for those states. All those things are just wasting. Those buildings are just pillar and the block, just the skeleton. Now so that they live and put. And now only the start you go here say yes, we are about to build so something like this. We are about to commission, we are about to build this thing. In so years we go finish them. That is all. We not go hear again about that thing, that structure. The money now, so the money don't enter. That is all. But we'll just see the reflect for television, for paper. That is all. So why I dey praise this man? When I can go check different places, I can't go get where one day when I did Nigeria last 2019-2020, I can't see inside PZ that Saple Road. Sorry for the distraction. Somebody they try to call at the end. So I can't reach that area. I can't see heavy work where they go on for different road for that area. And they try to watch television. I not see and say that this man show up for television saying they do this work, they do social work, do all those things. But I believe, say, for today, before I come out, I say, and that day they don't finish up. I'd see, can see different things. So now make me now, with the whole person I am, I can't go take the whole eye, look every other government, previous and present, and all of them. I can't compare all of them. I can't say this man is the best among them all. With waiting I don't see. Why they talk this? Some people might just look at it, no, the other way around. One thing about life, when you see child or you see somebody doing it right, you not tell and say, well done. Now human being. The spirit that is waiting, hunger for just simple, well done. That spirit go dey weak, go dey weak. Even he himself no will feel control that spirit. There is no way I go tell you today, say, waiting, me not this, you or anybody, not they see waiting this man, they do for Edo State now. Everything they public domain, which I see all these things, I can't just say, this man really try. I can't go check water storm project. Oshomole use, according to them now, that they say 2022, 30 billion. the one way they do, when me see for Tesame Road, that be a Kenwa Road, 5 billion. I can't go compare them to that one way Oshomole do. I can't say and say, now really nonsense. Oshomole just carry our money chop for no reasons. For no reasons. They just take money, put us for problem for no reason. For nothing. Can't let water they carry people house. So I can't look all these things, I can't feel bad. I can't say so. It's like Fashola and the co-aunt now and the other man, what it be the other Iboma, then they say that they do what it be name again. Say that they do railway, that they do train track with how much billion dollar, billion pounds for just one way train track. I can't they feel bad. I can't say so. Now so all these people they operate. Carry the other one come, he carry Amechi, carry a train track, he carry go Niger, carry go other country. Or he want carry go Cameroon. I can't look and say, so now so these people they waste our money for no reasons. So when I can't check the one way Oshomole do, can't check the money where this man, Governor Obaseki, they use for his own now. I can't say and say there's big difference. Now there I can't say, so then he say, this man Oshomole he just decide to make sure say he sank Edo State for no reasons. He be one just come crumble, kill Edo people for no reasons. Because somebody will go dig hole, he dey expect make all the houses fall inside. So he be just come dig hole so that make everybody for collapse, make the Edo State collapse, and put the money for pocket. I can't go check. Best way he use 5 billion, he do more than what somebody use 30 billion to do. So I not make me. I can't say no. This man, I need to appreciate him because I can pay for him too. I can pay for him where I win a lot of thousands, millions of souls to take make sure say yes. They talk to their family back home and everywhere, and I do all my part to make sure say because I not be politicians and I will not be. The only thing I will be if you come and say can't take charge of. This then say Boko Haram there those state or criminals don't feel like those state can't carry position to go feed them out. I go fit carry such a position. Can't carry so position, can't go feed so thing. I go fit carry the position because they think of one thing say one way now they think they go say anything when I do now tomorrow my children go in town or go rape them. My family go rape them with their children go rape them. So I prefer say yes. One way is more better because they always they shame or they get confused or they feel bad for our politicians today. Where they forget one thing. All of them before they come into existence, heaven and earth has always stand still. Now it be. They not fit think for their own self. Just like the boys and girls or women or chiefs where they sell land. They come into this world, meet those things there. Meet the land for there. They not ask themselves, use their own teeth, their tongue, take count their teeth for mouth. Ask themselves questions, say, this land, true, we meet time here. How come we can't they claim home? How come we can't be the one now, killing ourselves or say we want to sell it and we get them? How come we are selling it? Now they say there is somebody, there is a God who really hold this thing. When they come now, they can't claim, say as your own. You not want to think and say, this thing, true, all this land, where we go just carry this sell. Say, since before we come into existence, these things did there. Our parents, they fear God. They not sell them. They are not just to farm on top. But today, you can't sell all those things. You don't want to think and say, there is somebody. There is supernatural power. There is power. There is someone. There is spirit. Just like he says, I will make man to be as our own image. You don't want to think and say, there is somebody that who own all these things. Then they can't sell them, they chop. Till they do anyhow, who not like. Even they keep people because of what you not get. So my people, as I talk them, if anything like that is being given to me too, I go think of one way. Because they say good names is better than anything called riches. Because if you leave good name down, now you go better pass. Tomorrow, they not see you tomorrow. Say, no mind this person. If you know what your papa do, how Papa take destroy this land, how it take they sell everybody land, how it take they just like this sunshine way become they disturb this my brother JP Sama. How it take they sell all land, how people come to they talk, confess, talk different things, just they sell land. Tomorrow, it might be power today. It might get the whole power or the whole strength today. Tomorrow, when it don't come out, people weighing dupe, weighing destroy now, they go be the one telling everybody, see this person. If you know this person, wait till you take our eyes, see. You know this man will die, so if you know what he do. So that thing is now a problem, a cause to your children to come. You are now a barrier in one way or the other to your whole generation, which is very bad. So make we, for Edo people, make we do everything possible now. Jump out of whatever you are doing, whether it be secret court or whatever. Make we begin think. Make we live to come go the wear Fulani S-men clothes, come they kidnap people for Edo State. Or in the name of say you want rich, you want make money. The period of chopping shit, period of stealing people's pants. He come, Edo State he worst, he not finish. Chopping shit, he not finish. Now make me ask you now, if you really need pants, make una enter where they buy Bendan boutique. Whether they sell Bendan boutique for all market for Edo State. Or a bow pants where they pack, they come on and go, they buy them. If to say all those things, go really work for now. So the best thing and the best advice I could give to you all now is to change away from all these things. Before I deviate or divert from waiting, I appreciate the governor of Edo State. Make I go back to that. I just beg una. As this man with waiting he don't do, waiting Governor Obaseki they do for Edo State. If you be man or you be woman, you fit there that moment. Come they shout, look Tessamero though, they're not great, they're not tired, governor not come work on her. Look my street look as it build, they not do anything. And your phone, it they work that time. Your telephone calling to program, it they work that time. Talking in media, it they work that time. Today, this man is working in your area. And you can't carry your phone, you can't go carry and go the other side. You're not going to go look that work. Now God will punish you. You can't carry that your mat now and you come out for inside your house. You see say God people they work, they work. You not feel go tell the governor, you not feel come out in the public, carry phone or appreciate the man. God will punish you for that. So it would be better for us to tell this man, well done. Uwese, thank you. So that he will continue. Then inside that thank you, now there you go begin to give and say, as we they appreciate, because when you they appreciate, it's like you are praying for somebody to succeed. The moment you are not appreciating or you don't want to talk about the good thing when they do, it's like you are praying for him to fall. It's like somebody go the day, you know say yes, you they go beg somebody something, beg person money, and the person you know say they give people money, but before you want go now, the day when you want go, you they say, I know this man, he not go like give me, I know him. He not go like give me. I know him. You don't already cost yourself before you reach there. Before you go reach there, you go see a true, he not can give you. Then you can say, I talk him, say I talk him, say now say go disappoint you. Whereas now you use your own mouth, use your own self to destroy yourself before then. Instead of even if you hear say not they even give, they say your case is different. God must use them. He must do them. He must give you. No matter how, you must get something before you come back from there. You will see, say, the whole thing go walk as you see your face or as you they come for the road. Your spirit go walk inside the pocket, inside the heart. That strong mind, it go change to water, it will become favor. So let us appreciate this man for the few things where they do what we they see. And the area where they say things are not right should be where be say just like project where they put for grant now. Now for us now to they tell and say, I beg, rain they come. We see and say for our street you don't dig gutter. The people you put there make it work. Then they slow down. That's supposed to be. But we will now thank you for we appreciate you for even bringing bulldozer or for even bringing people may they dig the gutter. We even go appreciate you first for waiting you even do for making attempt. But rain won't start to the fall. Our governor, waiting we go do now. We don't want to make this rain come. If you never pay for this people, tell us so that make we know how we will know the area we will go face. Because you don't feel be Curtis. You don't feel be kidnapper. You don't feel be thief. You don't feel be chairman. At the end, contractors they your area. They not feel finish your job. They not feel finish your road. They not feel tie your road. They not feel put light. They not feel put gutter. And all those your strength become useless. You not feel use them. They do jaga jaga. They do all the jaguda. They make sure say that contractor finish the job. They get the real information. If the government is not paying money, finish, we go to finish the job. You are a useless person and you are a coward. Because you not forget all those strengths of chairman, those strength of jaguda, Curtis, or guy for this or guy for that, chairman for every other thing. But in your area, contractor did your area. Government don't go come out for television say, so area you don't they work on now. So thing you don't they build down. At the end, rain one start. You don't know whether they don't pay finish. You don't know whether they never pay finish. Whether not just to content show people say, yes, I want to work here. Now just for formality, you not can know. So your jaguda, those who are caught is supposed to be which you are supposed to channel out to. Because there is no way your road go this smoothly. With job, no will commit you for a side bedroom. You are a tailor, you are a musician, you are a mechanic, you are anything. Once your road is smooth, you fit dey your room. Now manufacture, they manufacture. Now creative, you dey creative or anything where you do for inside your house. Job must come meet you. But when your road is bad, no matter how perfect or professional you are into that business or into that job or into that thing, that mechanic or welder or whatever, the people who are supposed to bring job to you, they go return back. They're not go come that your area. And now tell all you be, people who are supposed to bring job. Now you they set cheap article for the food items. People who are supposed to come back, they not go come. But when your road is good, there is no way that customer will not come and look for you. Now just make you just begin put out for media. You go see say people, a seconds, I only address, a seconds, they go come meet you for house. You see say the money where you say they get for inside courtesy or they get from the government, it will become irrelevant. You can't see as compared to what you they get from your own blood, from your own sweat, you can't do more. You can't see say now you can't get past. You go can't do more on the high side. So I'm appreciating the government, the governor of those state, Obaseki, for what you are doing. Nothing say, some people not they talk about you. Some people not they appreciate you. Make you give up. Whatever you do today, whatever you cook today, now your children go chop tomorrow. Your children might not just be your biological children or your siblings. Your children is anybody that has good heart out there, they are your children. Because these are children of God. Anybody that has good heart are the children of God. Anything that concerns God is also concerned those who do good. So continue to do what you are doing. I see the work at Ogiso, I appreciate. I beg finish and well, my able governor. Finish and let that road be a road that, yes, water go touch ground, it go run commode by itself, enter gutter. The street light, it go be, not be here, it go be perfect. Put and make the thing. I see what you start for Tessame Road. For that Tessame Road too. The way it be say they lead to well-look spare parts. I beg, able governor, you are really doing great. God will bless you. I beg, finish am so that make it be say the thing, water go touch ground, go enter gutter. You know, water go they disturb anybody, everything go enter. People feel not pray for you now because the reason why many people not will pray for you, we too get too much devil for the Nigeria itself. If you look churches today, now devil, now they lead most of the pulpit. If you can't go mosque, now devil, now they lead all their mosque, most of the mosque. Even the people, if you want to compare them, maybe now devil now get 70%, while the real people get 30% or 20%, even 10% or 5%. So now devil now they on the higher side. If you can't go public party, every gathering, every other gathering, now devil now mostly they lead there. So you not expect to see say you see too much people they praise you. So if you see say few people they praise you, I think say that few people, if you look at the way Bible talk am, he say if I should open your eyes to see the army where they outside here where you dey so, you go know say the crowd where you dey say you dey see where be your enemy wey wan come kill you, so there be few. With all those crowd, there be few. If I open your eyes to see the army, the soldiers of God wey be say wan crush all these people. So the same thing, if God open your eyes to see the people where they appreciate your good work, you know say heaven is real, and you are already making your way to heaven, to where Baba God is. So we beg you, we the good people that who really want you to do well and who want the state to be a place that we can call home. We don't tire to see our state as a burial ground, as a place where vulture, lions, and wild animals for the operate. We want it to be a place where we can call home. A home in the sense that you'll go there in peace as we normally do before. As the people that we met before, that who has also traveled before, where they will come, they go wear their necklace, gold, they go put out for neck, they go open you, then you go see people go, they drive their car, they go open roof, open everywhere, they play music for sound. Now, sound, music said, now you tell no say this person just come from abroad. But today, it's no longer like that. Every Akateda, they tie themselves. Some say they go enter Keke Nape or in this guide. So that tells you, say, we don't want to make it continue like that. That's why we don't allow Shomole and his gang to come and continue, because we don't want the country to those state to continue to remain like that, where you can't be say everybody go to fear. So what you are doing now, we who do everything to make sure that you come back in, we appreciate your work. I beg, sir, rain won't start. As rain won't start, if not the engineer no one finish work, we need, as we enter all this town hall meeting they discuss, let us they know, so that make we begin hold the engineers accountable for the kind of way that they do, because most of the engineers of today, they are really, really frustrating your effort. You can see sometimes you give a job, just like this NDDC. When you come to NDDC, we don't find out, because say NDDC, now even private people then they use. Some things that NDDC have commissioned today, we find out say they never even pay the people where they give the job, the contract to the job to. And they are NDDC people, they are even holding private people, which is very bad. So as in your case, the few things we are seeing that you are doing, we want to know, so that why if not the engineer and anyone cause problems, so that maybe we still know if the rainfall finish, the engineer will go find their own money, can't they finish the job, can't they pay people or property where rain go destroy. Because if you are not holding these people accountable, they are ready to make sure say they spoil your name or destroy your regime, or make sure, because the moment it don't they affect you, the moment they reach anything will concern your regime, they will do everything possible to destroy it. So I'm begging you with the name of God, we are tired of seeing a state that's supposed to be a peaceful state becoming a place where people are, in short, running at a scatter, looking for safety in another's land, in a man's land, which does not really make sense. So with as have been noticed, say Boko Haram or kidnappers, there is no way Fulani people who live in desert go come understand our villages, our Edo state, more than we the citizens. So the only problem we get now make the people now our citizens, make them deviate or change their ways. If you are kidnapping people, destroying other people just for your own living, it not go make sense. Let everybody live in peace. Let's speak to the heart of the government that who are ready to do the right thing. Just as I described just now. No matter how it be, if na plantain you dey sell for your own area, and there is good road to drive to that, no matter how far your house is in that area, wherever remote land, now you go build a house, put. But when there is good road, where person will fit drive, enter, say yes. If he drive, they go. There's no gallop, there's no hold, there's nothing that will be an obstacle on the way. People must get on you. Because of why? This media, where we can't get so. Now just make you just put up. Say yes, I get plantain. My plantain, other people they sell am 2,000, 5,000, but my own they sell am 500. And it's genuine and it's clean. You not get anything where they call cancer. You go see say everybody, people go drive to that village, to that area. So make the government waiting be with the talk, do road and give us light, security thing. Now waiting is very simple to handle. The vigilante way you just create now where they come now. Make una share una numbers to every village. Share your telephone number to every home in those states. Share your phone number to grandpapa, grandmama. Since they don't fit get telephone, network they did there. Once they see faces where they don't understand, make a call. And please make a provisions of vehicle, firefighters, and good ammunition and fuel where they'll fit it. Then people will be there managing or controlling how they use these things, so that they'll feed they attend to anything that comes up that are not right. Please, my governor, because I know say you they listen to me, that is why I use this medium also to reach you now. These are a few things when I know say I want you to do, to tell you say I appreciate what you are doing in Edo State. I talk about the park, where Tuketike go they live. I see what you they build today now. We go be terminal for buses. So I really appreciate it. Don't they go the standard of abroad also. You really try. God go bless you. I beg finish them. Not leave and half. Because anything will be half, it cause problem. It not they give person peace. So let everything finish as you start on. Now me they always they talk on. Not do too much things. If now one you they do, finish them. So that make everybody appreciate. And so that you too will get rest of mind. So my people, if you are hoping for the robot in Aso Rock to change Nigeria, you are wasting your time. Because a robot in Aso Rock, they all know how the people who are in a position of nations. They know the people who are in a position who are the wrong people that are not supposed to be in position of nations. They know them all. Because they also brought them in during election to come and vote for them and to come and make the state ungovernable for the previous government. So, but unfortunately, the government of Goodluck Jonathan surrender as somebody who is not a soldier, surrender quick. So the whole thing goes the other way around. But these your boys, these people now, they are in the land with AK-47. If the robot in Aso Rock want to be specific or want to be sincere, say making day sincere, if I say kill every bandit, not be say anybody where he deal with AK-47. Every bandit, anybody where he wrong the law, where he keep him, where he kill anybody, where he use gun, kill anybody, cutlass, kill anybody, kill them. That's supposed to be his word. Anyone that who you caught using gun to kill them back too. You will see say, now you will know say yes, we really get Buhari did there. But in this case, then say when person say, don't worry, we all go suffer for this house. You know say he's not in charge. That is why they say we all. As an head of a house, supposed to say, una go suffer for this house for my hand. Not be say we all go suffer. So when Buhari come out, or the cartoon come out telling you telling we the Nigeria that kill anybody with AK-47, that tells you say he's not in charge. So there is a problem. It's just like the same thing. That man they call Gimme, or that Hausa man, Fulani man, who come out to say, call IPOB people, Brafa people and other the Yoruba side, call them reference, call them all sort of name. But when it reached time to classify the bandits, the killers, the Fulani men, he called them responsible people, that they are just fighting for their right. Which right? So you mean say the Yoruba and the Brafa, No be they fight for, then they kill. No be say they are right that they fight for. They done the dark. So I salute you now. So please, I don't want to too much go into many things. So my state, we don't need to too much look for too much things to talk. If you be good policeman, good policewoman, begin check inside your own offices. Check, una begin check on ourselves. Una remove all the bandit, Fulani esme we dey una missed. Because now, everything now. And now we. So now the confusion way there those state day. Along the road, still be the criminal, the thief, the kidnapper, we will still get for the road. So make una just talk to una self, change from una ways. Anything una they do now, tomorrow there's going to be a problem. If you look at the police sector today, the reason why there is no peace, the reason why peace has never come to stay there, because who come, they can't create problem. Who they go, they can't create problem. Everybody, problems. The same fault, the same error every day, which does not make sense. So the same way the commissioner will go come, he can't collect, he come out. The other one they can't collect, he come out. Anyone come Edo State with flat belly, as they come out from Edo State, he go get house, go get jeep, go get different houses, go get land, go come get big belly, all because of say they are not doing their job. So I salute you all. May God continue to bless you as you listen and share. Please, for heaven's sake, we don't have leaders now. I say Nigeria, please, let us come together with understanding. No matter how we have offended each other, no matter how we have wronged each other, we have seen it that the life itself is not even enough. So why worrying ourselves? Why not live in harmony and do things together in peace? Not like peace. Hausa man, Yoruba man, Igbo man, we are all the same. The only problem we have is just that they just create problems for themselves, or in the name of religion. God bless you all. God bless you all. God bless you all. God bless you all. I'm about to call it today, so let me see if I can play my music. My music is traditional. Yeah, Nigeria. They kidnap, the thief. Who they thief and who they kidnap? Is it not the same people? Who be our kidnapper? Is it not our people? We are the one kidnapping ourselves. I need old music to take close. Who's school? Thank you, brothers and sisters. Till next time, by the grace of God, we'll be in a church. We'll have our own church here too. In a way, how we will solve problems. Because if you look at the problem today, my people, in the society, now our churches, now they are problems. I dedicate this track to my girl. So my people, I take our beg now. Now just understand that we all need to succeed. Make we love ourselves. Remove hate. Peace will reign. Our problems is our leader. I take God beg the people where they control petroleum people. This 220 or 212 naira is too much. So it's very bad. Buhari regime is dead regime. Bye bye for now. Thank you, brothers and sisters. Thank you for your love. Yeah, so Araowa, thanks a lot. God bless you. Really appreciate you. Araowa, I salute you, Mr. Friday. God bless you. Thanks a lot. I appreciate you. I appreciate you all for staying there, for staying tuned with me, or staying there. As I talk, the next one will be preaching. Some people, they here, they know me that yes, that heart is there. So by the grace of God, God will do it and we will touch every soul. Bye bye for now.